Take a pause. Hi, Charles here. Good morning. It's Saturday. It's the weekend. Happy weekend, guys. So, ayun, take a pause. Pahinga muna. Chill, chill, relax, relax muna. Mag-recharge. Reassess. It's mid-month na, di ba? Kaka-mid-month lang. So, ayun. Parang grabe yung buntong hininga ko ah. Parang kamusta naman ang August natin dyan. So, ayun. Kung medyo challenging man, you will get through it. Kung okay for you, yung mid-month mo, well, good for you. Thank God. Diba? But, even with challenges, marami pa rin namang blessings, diba? Everyday. Waking up is already a blessing. Diba? So, I guess yun lang. Take a pause for today, this weekend. Spend time with family. Spend time with yourself. Chill-chill muna. Ayun. So, good luck. God bless. Ingat tayo. Anyong mama.